YouTube. You don't know what time it is, YouTube gang. That's what we're doing today, man. We're back with Deva Bratt. Yeah, man. The one name to the disco. You see me, I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Me no know. It said to the disco, so you look like dog bring back 70s, 80s. Yeah, disco feel. You see me? So I check it out, see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man. I tell you, said Deva Bratt is very talented. You see me, I say I'm very creative. So we never know what dog I give. If I give this tune, a chop tune, dancer, reggae. You see me? We don't know what dog I deal with this. So I check it out, so what dog I deal with. Not going to vibe much longer, you know, gang. You see me? Deva Bratt to the disco. Let's get it.
Come, everybody party, come if we have fun. Cause a long time we not get the boogie down. From the end of the night until we see the sun. Hey, come, everybody party, come if we have fun. Wheel and gun, couple up, bubble down. And there's some herbs with a little white rum. This is the time.
Okay, look like that come like a fun track. Look up, alright.
To party. So tell your friends and tell your shorty. No time for feeling lonely. Cause music is the only thing that controls me, yes. After working from 9 to 5 with my eyes on the prize, I'm trying to strive. I'm tired of denying the next line. I need a virus I can rise. Music makes me revitalize. I'ma do the boogie woogie, I'ma try to slide. If you
man, music make me revitalize. We're gonna do the boogie boogie and we are going you know. Now I like space that Deva is in. I feel like Deva is in a space where it's like, yo, I got nothing to lose. You see me, I've been dropping music. You see me, my career there at a point where me can, you see me, I'm not under the pressures of doing certain things and making certain. Now I can experiment. Now I can step outside the box, do different things. Which is why you see such strong as To The Disco. What was the other one he did that was kind of out of the box? Return of the Brat. Yeah, so you see all the ganja tune. You see me, I say, so it's like, these are the space where he's not under the pressure to create certain things or to fit in a certain box. So he can explore and he can make some different tracks, such as what we are hearing right now, To The Disco. You see me? Very fun track. Normally, dog carry the bus and big. You wouldn't hear me make tracks like this. You see me? I say, it'd have been more like, oh, I'm trying to stick with this formula and this thing that's been working and try being at the chop era, the dance era, the goose era. You know what I'm saying? But you can step outside the box and we can get this. Big up, Deva Bratt. Watch out.
Make me revitalize. I'ma do the boogie woogie. I'ma try to slide. If you can dance, then improvise. My car rolls down, I need a ride. To the disco. If you wanna roll with me, then I'll go with you. Yeah. To the disco. If you wanna roll with me, then I'll roll with you.
Okay, this is fun. This is To The Disco. If you wanna roll with me, then I'll roll with you. The dog will not be making this if the money carried it up on certain levels.
Yeah, dance feet is on fire. The music takes me higher, and now I'm gonna lose control. When I start to perspire, I'm burning like a tire. I think I'm gonna lose my clothes. Yeah. Everybody party, come if we have
sweat and burn up in a style, get hot, you're gonna lose our clothes. Take it off, man, go on, show.
Cause a long time we not get the boogie down. From the end of the night until we see the sun. Hey, come, everybody party, come if we have fun. Wheel and gun, couple up, bubble down. And there's some herbs with a little white rum. To the disco. If you wanna roll with me, then I'll roll with you. Yeah, to the disco. Wanna roll with me, then I'll roll
with you. To the disco, hey, hey.
With you, yeah, dance.
Look a fun chat. Deva, big up yourself. Yeah, man, big up Deva to the Brat. You see me, I say the one name To The Disco. You see me, I say very fun track. You see, this is a fun track. You see me, I can play the background on a little Saturday, a little Sunday, you know. To the disco. Before you step out, you know, on a fun night, you can To the disco. If you want to roll with me, then not roll with you. Sometimes it needs that fun, light-hearted track, bro. Sometimes everything needs to be full of lyrics, full of bad man style, you know, full of lyrics. Sometimes you just need a fun, lay back, light-hearted. You see me I say? Track. You see me I say? Yeah, so I like the space that Deva is in. He's basically now I have nothing to lose space. So I can definitely experiment and try new things. And trust me, if he keeps going, he's gonna find a banger. Because now he's in a creative space, mental space. I give him that. He's not bound by anything, so anything can happen right now. As me and say, he can't find a mega hit. He can, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't blame him, man. If you're coming back, reinvent yourself. It don't make sense if you're making a comeback. You come back the same as you was before. Make a little changes. Try something different. Do something. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, create out. Yeah, so that come back, that rebrand himself, that try different stuff. And I think it's working. It's looking good. You're gonna rebrand yourself, Deva. So big up yourself. Keep going, bro. Keep dropping. Keep thinking outside of the box. Keep pushing the creative edge, our boundaries, and do your thing, bro. Cause you never know what can come out of this, bro. You can definitely reinvent yourself. You can find a banger. You can find a mega hit. You never know. So keep it going. Keep it. Cause it's refreshing. It's a bit different. You know what I'm saying? It breaks up the monotony that's going on in the industry right now. Everybody trying to do the same thing and sound the same. You see me? I say so. Big up Deva Bratt. Yeah, man, gang. So if you like it, show that to someone want support. And you know at the dancing, you know. You see me and say, let's get a dialogue going. Let's chop it up in the comment section, gang. You don't know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Road to 10K. So hit the like and subscribe button. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.